That's pineapple lily, the burgundy. And here's our little kitten. I have the clematis and some Astomeria lilies in the foreground. I think it's from yesterday. Is it going? Is it playing? I can see the paw. Where's the sibling? It's over. This is the area where there are a lot of voles. I lost a lot of dahlia bulbs one year. We actually haven't seen the kittens lately, or the cats. Actually, the red flags are for a reminder for me to dig up plants for our friends. We have this system where people come over. Oh my goodness, look at that. And they tell me what they want, and I can't never remember. So each friend has different color flags in my garden. So any given time, there are several different flags. Sky lily. Unfortunately, he died. Right after this, it was drought. Nature at its work. An ant carrying a dead honeybee, I guess, to his nest. Because in nature, nothing gets wasted. It's amazing that little ant could carry that honeybee, which is about 10 times his weight, maybe more. This is a weeping coutura. I love this plant. One of the problems we've been having is that it's blocking our pathway. So we have built this structure, Steve has, and we have tied it over, so hopefully those branches that's on the top will, over the next several years, it's going to get strong enough so one day we could remove that structure and have a little curtain. Steve, you want to say about how you made this stand?
Well, I built these for the umbrellas around the pool. It's just a bucket filled with cement, but it came in handy for this purpose. Do you think we can take the braces away at one point?
It's probably going to take 3-4 years, maybe 5.
Huh.
The branches got to get thicker and stronger. I have a friend who did in their garden, not weeping coutura. I can't remember which plant they did, but it was a weeping tree that they did.